everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today we will see how you can make portfolio using Git pages, and it's very simple because it's a static website and you can download a template from HTML5 up. It's a very nice platform where you can find so many nice templates for your portfolio. So for this tutorial, let's use Phantom for example. And if you want to see live demo, you can click on live demo and you can see how it will look if you make a website out of it. And you can also see it on different platforms like on tablet, and if a tablet is in portrait mode, how will it look also on your mobile phone. So it's a fully responsive website, and or templates I should say. You can just fill in your details in these places and you will be good to go. So we will be changing a few of the things on this template, and finally we will be hosting it using Git pages, and it's a very simple way to have a nice portfolio. So you can download it by clicking here, and if you like to donate, you can donate something here, but it's completely free to use. Once you have downloaded it, make a folder on your desktop. So here I have created a demo portfolio, so move that folder to this folder. I mean the file which you downloaded, just move it to this folder. So I just copy pasted it from downloads to this folder, and then let's unzip it. Now that we have unzipped it, let me just delete the zip file, and I would highly suggest you to just cut these things and paste it here, because you will just simply add one more hierarchy which we don't want, and we will delete this folder. So now we have these things, and we will not be working on elements and generic. So if you want, you can just delete these two files, and we will be simply working on HTML file, index.html file. So now let me VS Code in this directory. You can use any text editor you like. So if I just type code dot, it will open this directory in my VS Code. So yes, here you can see that this is the index.html that we will be editing. Uh, let me move them in a split window mode, and here on the left hand side you can see we have this page, and on the right hand side we have our text editor. So whatever changes we will make, we can see it on this side. One more thing is you can download one extension which is go live. So when you change something here, it will reflect automatically, so you will not have to refresh your page again and again. So it is a live server, I think. If you go here in extensions, what all I have installed. So yeah, if you search for live server, you can find this and you can install it in your VS Code. So yeah, this is what you need. So yeah, as soon as I save it, it will reflect it on the web page. So let me just save it, and as you can see, I have just removed everything. So here the title is gone now. So let me just change it to demo portfolio. You can add your name, you can add simply portfolio, whatever you like. So here we have our demo portfolio all set and ready. Now let's start changing things. Oh, we don't need menu section, because if you see here in menu section we have a lot of things, but we're not going to use menu section. So I am going to remove menu. We don't want our navigation also, we don't need. So let's just remove a navigation section. Actually we don't need this whole header, so let's just remove everything here. No, actually we want this to be here, because here we have this phantom, so we will just make it portfolio, and this should be good. So you can use any image as logo if you don't want this diamond to be there. So you can just put your, I mean, if I show you, here is the image directory. So here we have all the images, so just put any image here and use that name instead of logo.svg, so it will just change that image for you. Now we have changed it to portfolio. Here we will change this text as this is my awesome portfolio. Thanks for checking it out. So if I save it, we can see the things have been changed. And if you are following along, or if you end up making your portfolio, do share the link in the Telegram group, so there we can also look into your portfolio, and if there is any feedback, there are many people, they will give you some feedback, and it's always good to share your work among community, so that other people can also get inspired and try to make their portfolio. So do share your portfolio link in the Telegram group. Link you can find it in the description. So here you can add a little bit of description, what you do, what you have studied, and so this will be your heading, so basically a gist about you, and this will explain a little bit about, so whatever summary you put in your resume, you can put it here. So I will just add, I like playing with data, and I am very much into machine learning and deep learning. I also like to do projects on, let's say, Power BI. So yeah, this should do. So as you can see, we have added a little bit of description for us. These tabs will be your projects. So here we will replace Magna with let's say data analysis, and we will add a little bit of description here. So when you hover over it, you can see there is a little bit of description there. So we can add here, I did EDA on future learn data. So yeah, I will just add that much. You can add a little bit more. So just for the sake of this video, I'm adding a little bit of text. And now here you can see there is this link that we will be changing. So here you can put your GitHub link, or if you have hosted it, you can use that link as well. So for now I will be using my GitHub link. So if I go to cybersecurity course, and I'll grab this link and I will replace this. So now when we click on our data analysis project, it will take the recruiter or hiring manager to your GitHub profile. So the idea behind this portfolio is to highlight your work on GitHub. So if you have lots and lots of repositories on GitHub, you maybe want to highlight some of them and not all of them. So as you can see, I have 32 repositories on my GitHub, but I only want them to see some of them which are relevant to data science or things which I have done, and I want to show them. So one thing that you can do is you can pin some of the repositories in your GitHub profile, and also you can just use these repository links into your portfolio, because what if they go to your repository and what if you have not pinned it? So if they go to your repository, they will see there are so many things and what to look for and what not to, they will not know. But then if you highlight these things as in pinned section and also in your portfolio, it will make their life easy to navigate through. So that's the idea behind it, and yeah, that's why we are using this portfolio. So now we are in our um awesome portfolio. So here we have changed few things. Now we will move on to our um, next thing, which is lorem. So here I will put bird classification, and again we will add a little bit of description. Hmm, train deep neural network to classify VIR birds. So this is that, and now I will again grab a link of bird classification and I will add it here. As you can see, it is that easy. You can, if you know very little bit about HTML, you can do this, and if you don't know anything, you can just follow along this video and you will be just fine. I will add one more and then we will see so which one I should use this time. Let's take text generation. Use LSTM to generate text from a book by, I forgot her, I mean I know the name Agatha Christie, but I forgot the spelling. Maybe this is right, I mean, maybe it can be wrong, so sorry if I'm typing wrong spelling, but then yeah. So as you can see, we have our 3 different projects. Okay, I need to change the link. So yeah, now we don't need other things because if you have whatever projects that you have, let me show you my portfolio first. So this is my portfolio. So here I have added 6 projects, and this is just a different template. Rest everything is same. So I have added 6 projects. If you have more projects, you can add them. If you have less projects, you can remove them. So for the purpose of this video, as you can see, there are many tabs. We will be just using top 3. So we will remove all the other tabs. So for that, we will have to remove these article sections. So if you remove one by one, that's there, but then I'm removing all together. Yeah. So there we go. If I refresh, then here you can see we have our 3 projects. Now the thing about get in touch is it's a static website, so this thing is not gonna work, and we are hosting it on Git pages where we can only host static pages. So what I would suggest you is get rid of get in touch and just add your social media rather than get in touch. So we will just remove this section and we will add links to these social media thing. So here we will remove this section, which is the form for get in touch. So there you go. I will just add Instagram and Twitter. So let me grab a link. This is my Twitter link, and this is my Instagram page. Let me first remove all the other things. So as you can see, here we have our link. Rather than follow, let's just make it contact. So there we go. So this is our basic portfolio. So you can add many things, like add a proper heading, proper description, and a little bit more about your project and project heading. So you can add those things here. It will look even better. And if you want to add more social media like LinkedIn and GitHub, that would be even great. So you can add those things as well. So let me just add GitHub as well. Where is the GitHub link? There we have it. So now we have our GitHub also. You can also have LinkedIn if you like. So you can add those things. Now that we have our portfolio, let's put it on GitHub. So if we go there and if we click on create new repository, in this you can write any name of your portfolio. I will give it as demo portfolio. And actually I am recording this video again. I mean, the last time I did the whole tutorial and I had forgotten to press on the record button. So I literally spoke for like half an hour or something, but then nothing was recorded. So I'm doing it again. So yeah, demo portfolio, create repository, because readme file will already be there. So that is it. And now I will open git bash here. Git bash was already open. I don't know why I deleted it. So I will first initialize the git here. Now I will do git. Let's first see git status. So yeah, we will be adding all these files. Now we will do git add, and dot means add all the files. And now we will do git commit. This is the first commit, so we'll just do initial commit. Now we want to add our repository, so we will have this. I prefer it to be master and not main, so I usually don't do git branch. If you like to keep it main, you can just branch it to main and then you can do all those things. So that's there, and yeah, we'll just push it to GitHub now. And now if we refresh this, as you can see, we have all the files on our GitHub. And this index.html will be used as your home page. So now let me just make it full screen, and we'll go to settings. Now we'll be hosting this using Git pages. And if you see on the left hand side, it's Git pages, pages. So if you click on pages, and if you select your master branch and click on save, that's all done. So it will be there on your Git pages. So it usually takes some time to host your website or Git page. So if I click on it, it is showing 404 not available. So what you can do is, if you go to your main directory, it has come now. So it is showing as pending. So when it will be active, that link should work. So if we refresh it, now it is showing active. So if you click here and go to view deployment, you can see that your profile has been deployed on Git pages. And now you can share this link to whoever you want to show your portfolio. So share this link in the Telegram group so that we all can see what you have done, which template you have used. And if you find anything which you are not able to solve, do let me know in the comment section if you are getting some error, or if there is something that you feel like it is not going as smoothly as it was shown in the video. So do let me know, I will try to help you there. And this is how you can make your portfolio. Like I told you, there are tons and tons of templates here, so you can choose anyone you like. I have used this one for my portfolio, and I also like this one because it is simple. And there are many um, templates, so you can use any of them. So yeah, I like many of them. So I might change my portfolio in some time, but yeah, for now, this is what I wanted to show in this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. So yeah, with that being said, I will end this video. If you want to download data science notes, link in the description. Join Telegram group, like, share, subscribe, comment, all those good things, because it keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye, happy learning.